The High Court has dismissed a legal challenge questioning the appointment of Justia Muzende as Chief Mako in a case that drew President Emmerson Mnangagwa into the dispute. The challenge was brought by Clever Kambarai Mazano, a Masvingo resident, who cited Mnangagwa, the Minister of Local Government and Public Works, the Chiefs Council of Zimbabwe, the Masvingo Provincial Chiefs Council, the District Development Coordinator, and Muzende in his petition. Mazano argued that the appointment process was irregular and violated the customs of the Mako people, the Constitution, and the Traditional Leaders Act. He sought to have Muzende's appointment nullified and a fresh selection process instituted. Muzende became Chief Mako after his father, Johannes Chadzimre Chihambakwi, ceded his nomination for the throne. Mazano contended that such a cession was invalid under traditional succession principles and that his objections to the appointment, presented to Mnangagwa and the Provincial Chiefs Council, were ignored. In their defense, the respondents argued that the cession of a nomination to another individual of royal lineage is part of the customs and traditions of the Mako community. They maintained that Muzende's appointment was legitimate and in line with customary law. Justice Sanzle Zaisengwa, presiding over the matter, ruled that Mazano had misunderstood the distinction between ceding a nomination and ceding the chieftainship itself. The judge noted that Johannes Chihambakwi only ceded his nomination, not the chieftainship, and that such cession is recognized under the customs of the Mako people, particularly when a nominated candidate is unable to assume the position due to infirmity or other valid reasons. The plaintiff failed to demonstrate that the cession of one's nomination for the position of chief is not part of this particular group of people, Justice Zaisengwa said. He added that Mazano did not adequately challenge the respondent's claim regarding customary practices in cases where a nominated candidate cannot take up the position. The court concluded that Mazano had not established a sufficient basis for his claims and dismissed the application with costs, effectively upholding Justia Muzende's appointment.